A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hopefully, all of you would be fine and healthy and happy. Today, we are going to read about passage number 9. This is Surah number 99, Surah Az-Zilzal. It says, A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها وقال الإنسان ما لها يومئذ تحدث أخبارها بأن ربك أوحى لها يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليروا أعمالهم فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره صدق الله العظيم. When the earth is shaken to her utmost convulsion, and the earth throws up her burdens, and man cries out, what is the matter with her? On that day will she declare her tidings. For that your Lord will have given her inspiration. On that day will men proceed in companies sorted out, to be shown their deeds. Then shall anyone who has done an atom's weight of good say it, and anyone who has done an atom's weight of evil shall see it. What is the main theme of this passage? The main theme of this passage is Allah's relationship with His created world. It narrates Allah's power to bring entire existing world to its end. It elaborates the events and the final outcome of the day of reckoning, or the day of judgment, or you can say the end of time. The day will be marked with the most intense convulsions that will reverse all the normal physical phenomena. Man will be shocked to see earth emitting all its hidden contents, as is mentioned in the Holy Quran. Finally, all mankind will stand accountable in the diamond court of justice for the rewards of their worldly deeds. This brief surah focuses on three main issues. First, it alerts humankind about the initial signs that will mark the end of the world. Secondly, it goes on to inform humanity about how the earth will bear witness to all of their deeds. Thirdly, it focuses on how people will be divided into two groups, the good and the evil. So this theme is obviously very much important in a Muslim's life. So what is the importance of this theme in a Muslim's life today? The importance of this theme in a Muslim's life is that it reaffirms Islamic belief in the Day of Judgment and also reminds him of his accountability before Allah. This theme warns man of a vitally important truth, that even a most ordinary good has its own weight and value. Similarly, even a most ordinary evil will be taken into account and will not be overlooked. With such a belief, a Muslim will learn about the worthlessness of the world and realize the value of true and eternal life of the next world, the hereafter. A strong belief in the life after death shapes the conduct of a Muslim so that he will obey his commands and avoid committing sins. So students, this was our today's lecture, and I hope you will not forget to press the like button and subscribe this channel. Assalamu alaikum.